How you can set C translation on your Facebook app. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below first and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is update your Facebook. So to do that, go to your app store, search for Facebook and just update it. And after you updated it, you can go back to your Facebook, and what you'll need to do is go to your menu on the bottom right. After you're there, tap on the gear icon on the top right and you'll go to the settings and privacy. Now after you're there, scroll down till you find preferences, and under there you will see language and region. Tap on it. Now after you're there, you will see different options for translation. You can see the second one. Tap on it. You will see languages. Okay, this is not, oh yeah, this is the one. So here you will see the option of languages that you want to translate your post into. So just select English or whichever language you want. There are a lot of options. After you do that, your settings are basically done, and now you can translate your post. You can translate different posts into English, and it's that simple, guys. And that is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.